Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's another Monday, and it is so cold here in Michigan. I am freezing. I need to run in quick to Aldi, get my goodies for the week, and I'll share with you my meal plan, which does include a lot of soup at the end. Let's get in. My husband wants to make Chex Mix, and he loves to add these. They're only $1.25. I had to dig a bit in the back, but I found them. $2.19 for pepitas. I love these just to eat by the handful or on a salad. Well, we're having hot dogs, and they're out of the normal buns, so I guess we're going to go fancy, and we'll get brioche. These are really good, so I'm not complaining. They're just $3.19. Getting some Cara oranges, $2.89. We're going to have salad with all of our soup this week, $2.69. Honey Crisp apples, $1.89 per pound. I guess I will get a bag. My daughter loves these. I just don't want that one. This is odd. We have absolutely no 2% milk, so I guess I'm just gonna get a gallon of whole milk, which I needed for soup anyways, $2.67. I need yellow onions, $1.75. Well, I'm definitely gonna be hitting up Walmart. They don't have potatoes here or the cubed hash browns that I need, so I need diced tomatoes for 2 of the 3 soups. I'm making vegetable, and then I'm also making a cheeseburger soup. I'm gonna get 4 cans at 88 cents a piece. I changed my mind. I got 2 of these, and I'm getting 2 fire roasted, and those are $1.15 a piece. And then I'm also gonna get 4 tomato sauces at 45 cents each. I need more beets for salads, $1.79. And we are running very low on black beans, so I'm gonna get 5 cans, 77 cents a piece. Okay, I need celery for 2 of the soups, $1.39. We are gonna get the cheese and garlic croutons, $1.25. And then I'm looking for honey mustard dressing. Where is it? Okay, it looks like they're just out, which is too bad. We love their honey mustard. I need rice squares to make Chex Mix, $2.75. I do not have this one, but I'm actually buying bags today to stuff my bag organizer. It's actually really nice and a great way to keep them organized. Mine is just empty. I'm going to be filling it, but if you've been looking for a little home organization, this is an easy win. I think that looks pretty nice, the drawer organizer. There's an angled one. The two-tier seems kind of nice. I just don't know that I'd keep up with that, or more like my kids would. They're only $10 a piece. Boot, shoe, and glove dryer. That's pretty nice. Mesh organizers. Lots of home organization stuff. It's the time of the year. Cozy pet bed. This is interesting. I wish they had a dog-sized one. This is the only one left. It's actually the exact same one I have, but I love this so much. If you have a chance to get it, I've been wearing it every night, literally. I wash it, wear it, wash it, wear it. It's so nice. Last week I had a last-minute Aldi run, and I bought these for my husband, and he really liked them. My kids did too. I didn't try them though. But there's all of the Valentine's Day candies here now. Very pretty. Look at all the cute Valentine setup stuff here. Adorable. Throws, dog toys, gnomes, pajamas. They have it all. Okay, I'm gonna get 4 of the chicken broths at $1.29. Half is for the chicken noodle soup, and then the other half is for my cheeseburger soup. And then I'm also gonna get 1 of the vegetable stock for my vegetable soup. $1.45 for that. I am running really low on flour, $2.29, and I'm going to be making crusty bread to go with the soup this week. So I'm getting a pack of flour. I am out of nearly all size bags, so I'm going to get the snack bags. These are $1.99. I'm going to get the sandwich bags at $2.09. And I'm going to get the quart at $1.85. And then also I'm going to get a box of gallon bags, $1.99. Okay, red sticker meat, but it's not what I want. Someone else will be happy. All these pizzas still look pretty good. They have different wood-fired flatbread pizzas, roasted vegetable, garlic, provola, bagel pizzas. My kids are big fans of these. Different Greek food is still here. The Greek style, the peasy. I'm not sure what that is. Bananas. Nothing too new here still. Okay, they have Asian chickens. These weren't here last week. French toast sticks, pancake sausage. I need 3 blocks of cheddar for my soup. I'm gonna get 2 sharp and 1 mild, $1.99 a piece. Okay, for the vegetable soup, I'm gonna get this California medley. I dump it all in. And then I'm looking for the mixed veggies, which I'm not seeing. Of course they're gone. So I will just get peas and corn to add in. 95 and 96 cents. We've had both of these at this point. I definitely like them. $2.69, very yummy. I've been thinking of making like a protein smoothie daily to get more protein, and that sounds really good. Oatmeal cookie. Like if I have to eat it, that might be the flavor I'd pick. Okay, these are on sale for 99 cents, and one of the packs is 50% off, so I will make these to go with 1 night of soup. Alright, here's my cart. I feel like I'm missing quite a bit compared to normal, but maybe it's from the snowstorm we just had, delayed in shipments, but I will be going to Walmart to get some of it. Any guesses on my total? Okay, we are using quite a bit of what we have on hand, and my total was $67.20. I do need to go to Walmart for a bit, but I feel pretty good. The apples kind of surprised me. They were $6.29 for that bag. I almost put them back, but I know my daughter will love them. Okay, tonight we're having leftover chicken shawarma for dinner, and then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. On Tuesday, I'm making 3 soups, and we're gonna just eat it for 3 days. I'm making vegetable soup, cheeseburger soup, and also chicken noodle soup, and we're just gonna have it 3 days. It's super cold here. It's gonna be comforting, warm, and easy, and then everyone has different soups that they like, and then I like to freeze leftover soup if we still have some beyond that. Friday, my in-laws are hosting us for dinner for my daughter's birthday. She turns 14 next week, so we're going over there for a family dinner, and I don't have to bring anything. Saturday, I'm making my son's request of hot dogs and white mac and cheese. And then usually we have leftover hot dogs, and it's a good way for me to make this dinner, Grandpa's Special, which is essentially a skillet of shredded potatoes, eggs, and hot dogs, and then we serve it with toast. So this is the meal plan for the week. If you want to see how I make Grandpa Special, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.